Hey everyone, how's it going? The company I chose is actually who I work for. I work at Lone Tree Golf Club. Um, Lone Tree is a semi-private course that opened in 2001. Semi-private meaning that there are memberships allowed. You can become a member at that course, but it's also open to the public. It's owned by Greg Avant and is a pretty small company, under 75 employees total, meaning outside service, restaurant, grounds crew, and pro shop. The last owner was Tommy Grant Maryland. He was actually childhood friends with the current owner, and we have the initials TGM on every single flag for him. So our industry, um, Lone Tree employees and staff must operate at a high class level. We have meetings, um, outside service meetings throughout the year, to touch base on this and make sure we are performing, at the level we want to be. So yeah, we must continue to grow and profit and continue to make the course better. So the strengths of Lone Tree. So it's quality golf. I call it quality golf for quality price. Lone Tree is a great golf course, great public golf course for anyone to play, and the price isn't too bad either. So it's kind of a win-win. We really strive in the winter season, and we have place to eat, place to go get a drink after, and is in great shape for most of the months. Some weaknesses we have, like I said, in the summertime, it's hard to keep the course in good conditions due to the extreme temperatures we have, and not being able to use unlimited water. The course really struggles. So we can't get quite enough money to buy really expensive equipment, to make our course top notch. So some opportunities I think we have is, to allow more tournaments and special events happen out at Lone Tree. We already have a lot that do occur, but I think the more tournaments and events we can have happen, the more money we will make. And also like different types of playing passes, so paying X amount of dollars to play X amount of rounds. Some threats we can have is people could sneak out on the course at night and can destroy greens or run the tires through the course. I've heard stories of people have gone out and taken the flag sticks and punched mean messages into the green. Another threat we can have is just Mother Nature with flash flooding and extreme winds and maybe even fire. So a strategic recommendation I suggested was to find ways to save and store extra water, so we can use it when the course is in rough times, usually in the summertime when we need the water. And maybe we can add towels and water bottles to the golf carts, bump up the cart fee a little bit. And yeah, here's my works cited, and that's it.